So guys, first you want to make sure that you have Do Not Disturb turned off. Make sure you have Do Not Disturb turned off. For the second method, you want to hold on the Gmail application. Once this comes up, you want to select App Info. Once we're here, you want to click on Notifications. Make sure that you have Allow Notifications turned on. For the next method, you want to open up Gmail. In the top left, click on the three lines. Now you want to scroll down and then click on Settings. Then you want to select Notifications. Make sure you have it on All. Now you want to scroll down until you find Sync Gmail. Make sure you have Sync Gmail ticked. If it's still not working, you want to go to the Play Store or the App Store. You want to search for Gmail. Once we're here, you want to check if Gmail has any updates. If it does, you want to update your Gmail. For the last method, you want to uninstall Gmail and then reinstall it again.